soft like the whisper of rain. He calls for a trace of introduction, awakening, dream, leaving through darkness and shadows, looking for light. Every step is like breathing, every breath is a planet. The wind carries the stories of days, whispers secrets in silence. Every moment becomes brighter, the heart finds a way through darkness and shadows, looking for light. Every step is like breathing, every breath is a planet. Life fills the soul with warmth, erases the sentence in it. And I will leave an immense expanse ahead. I will become stronger through darkness and shadows, looking for light. Every step is like breathing, every breath is a planet. The wind carries stories of days, whispers, secrets in silence. Every moment becomes brighter, the heart finds a way through darkness and shadow.